Welcome back to the channel, everyone. ggkickzz here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Air Jordan 1. This is a different variation, the Zoom Comfort. I have made a previous video in the past if you guys want to check that out. We took a look at all the technology and everything like that inside of the shoe and talked about why the shoe is different. I won't so much be doing that this video. It'll just be showing it off because this shoe right here is special. So the box, pretty much everything stayed the same. Packaging brings this little cardboard piece right here, which tells you all the different tech and materials that went into making this sneaker. Also, this shoe released February 2nd. It really didn't have a release date on sneakers unless I missed it, but it pretty much just, I don't know if these were just backdoored, but StockX says February 1st that day's released, but I didn't really see it anywhere at all. Not even like DTLRs and things like that, where they usually get the Zoom Air Comforts. So I'm not saying like these are super limited, but the resale right now is around 300. I was able to pick up somebody accepted the offer on StockX, so I was able to pick these up for $297 after taxes and everything like that. So yeah, they're pretty high up there, I guess, because of that, because they didn't really see a regular release. But enough of that. The shoe comes wrapped individually in its own plastic. Let's get straight into it. I know you guys are excited. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole video though, because I will be talking about the resale, on foot, all that good stuff, man. So make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that like button, that subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't already, and let's go. Here we have the box. Tag reads Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort, cobalt gray, mystical navy. StockX calls it the Air Jordan 1 Celestine blue. The shoe is so different. I don't even know what materials they use. Like, this leather is super soft. I don't know how they got it to get this color. I think they dyed the leather, but it's pretty dope. We're gonna start off with the outsole. You have your two-tone outsole because this is an EVA foam. On the Air Jordan 1 here, you have like this nice purple amnesty color. Midsole, kind of a cream color midsole, not very too aged. It's just like right there in the middle. Then you have your flat leather, just super rough on that end. Then you have like, yo, it's so many different materials on here. Like, let me see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like almost like 6, 7 different materials all on the upper, which is very dope, man. You know, I like to see Air Jordan brand doing things differently. So that's why I went out and purchased this, even though it was super hard to get, because obviously like it didn't release anywhere basically. So yeah, the shoe, you guys can tell, man, it's a very nice shoe. Some people may not like it, some people do. I love just the overall aesthetic of the exposed foam around the collar and just the whole vibe of the shoe, you know. Super dope summer spring shoe. The toe box has like your sky bluish color. Like I said, I don't know how they got it to get that color. It looks dyed. They may have dyed the leather, which is very dope. Toe box is a whole different shade of purplish blue. Looks like a combination of both of these colors on the toe. Laces, very dope laces. You have like your, basically like an actual rope, like a real rope aesthetic to the laces, and they go all the way up. This kind of material and things reminds me of when I used to sprain my ankle playing basketball, where you would tape it up with that, like that band material. That's kind of like what this right here reminds me of. So a lot of ankle support. You basically have triple layer ankle support is just exposed. So you have the foam there, another piece, and then another piece of leather there. Air Jordan logo, fantastically embossed there, embroidered in blue and yellow. Super dope touch. That's what I love the most. Underneath this little flap here, you have your Zoom tongue, Zoom Air as well. Behind it, nothing, no credits, just a bunch of air holes and things for, I guess, the leather to breathe, or your ankles to breathe. You guys can see more ankle support right there and there. Nike Air on the insole. You have a yellow insole. Nothing going on too crazy, so I won't pull it out. But yeah, you guys let me know, man. These materials, is nice to see Jordan brand do something different. This right here kind of feels like those old velvet couches. That's kind of like what this material feels like. I'm not sure what that is 100% sure, but you guys can see, man. Very dope shoe. You guys let me know what you guys think of this shoe in the comment section down below. All right, so with all that being said and out the way, what do you guys rate this Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort? I'm gonna be giving it, honestly, a 9 out of 10. It's kind of like, gives you like the pastel color vibes, but this is meant to resemble the Celestine rock, which is for healing and other things like that. So that's why you got like the two-tone with the purple and the light blue, because those are the colors of crystals. So it's dope that they formed that into this shoe with a bunch of different materials. You know, they wouldn't have been able to do this on a regular high 85 or a regular high OG Air Jordan 1. They had to do it on this just because the materials, you know, you could do a lot more. I love the exposed area around there. Like I said, the material is on point, the color is on point. There's really nothing bad I could say about this shoe. Yeah, I'm giving it a 9. The comfortability is nice. You guys let me know what you guys think of this sneaker though in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. It's all free and it helps the channel out a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next one. GG Kicks out.